all singing. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first set my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow to streets broad and narrow, crying, it's lovely. Alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and sure it was no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they both wheeled their barrow to streets broad and narrow, crying, alive, alive, oh. Now, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Very good. Last verse now, sad. She died of a fever, no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. Now her ghost wheels her barrow to streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh. Can't hear you,
alive, alive, oh.
It's better, crying
cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh.
on your own, and last time now, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Good night. Auf Wiedersehen. Dankeschön.